Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for August 14, 2024, featuring a Jupiter-Mars conjunction. Please see the article that includes diagrams of the events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. A Jupiter-Mars conjunction occurs in front of Taurus before sunrise. An hour before daybreak, look eastward for the bright star nearly halfway from the horizon to overhead. This is Jupiter. This morning Mars passes only 0.3 degrees to Jupiter's upper left. The red planet has been running down Jupiter since it passed Saturn on April 10. While the two planets appear close together in the sky, they are about 360 million miles apart in space. Mars revolves around the Sun every 1.9 years, outpacing Jupiter's 11.8-year orbital duration. Mars marches eastward fairly quickly, traveling against the stars at a rate about 5 times Jupiter's. Do not confuse Mars with Aldebaran, Taurus' brightest star, to the right of the planet conjunction. Jupiter and Mars fit into a telescope's eyepiece, yielding about 80x of magnifying power. Mars appears as a red ochre globe. The planet is too far away to see much surface detail. In contrast, Jupiter's clouds are easily visible, as well as the 4 largest satellites. From the east, Ganymede, Europa, and Io are visible, although Io is silhouetted against the planet. Callisto, the 4th moon, is west of the planet. Look through the eyepiece carefully. The shadows of Io and Europa are cast against the cloud tops. Some more magnification might be needed to see the round shadows. This occurs when a more powerful eyepiece of a shorter focal length is used. The eyepiece's focal length, usually in millimeters, is marked on the side of the optic. If a 20 mm eyepiece produces 80x of magnification, then 10 mm magnifies 160x. The point here is that Jupiter, with its moons, and Mars fit into a lower power eyepiece. It should be noted that the view through the telescope may be different from the chart in the online article. Some telescopes turn the image upside and backwards from left to right, or some version of this. Mars passes Jupiter again on November 16, 2026, when the gap is 1.2 degrees. The conjunction occurs in front of Leo, 3 constellations to the east, and 4.3 degrees to Regulus upper right. These conjunctions occur about every 27 months. Mars passes Jupiter in front of Taurus again on July 1, 2060, occurring about 3 degrees west of this morning's conjunction location, but Jupiter is less than 5 degrees above the eastern horizon at an hour before sunrise. Venus and Saturn are not far away on that morning. The Jupiter-Mars conjunction occurs about 3 months after the Jupiter-Saturn Great Conjunction in 2060. Interestingly, on the evening of April 6, 2060, the 2 bright giant planets, Venus and the Pleiades star cluster, fit tightly into the same binocular field of view. On April 3, the Moon fits snugly into the scene with the 3 planets and the star cluster. The next evening it stands over 10 degrees above Venus. This 2060 conjunction in front of Taurus occurs 16 Jupiter-Mars conjunctions from this morning's event. During the next several days, watch Mars march away from Jupiter and widen the gap to the solar system's largest planet. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.